Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to quickly explain you why I am taking a ultra bearish call on gold. It is not for days or weeks, but this is going to be the case for the remaining time, maybe until end of this year, or this can even continue for the next couple of years, right? Okay, so here I am on a gold chart, weekly time frame, and I have already turned on my volume profile indicator, right? So here you can see from 2022, almost 2022 January, since that time and until this year, that is 2026 January. So it's almost like 3 years complete window, right? So in the total, these 3 years, gold was continuously in uptrend, which rose right from $1,800 all the way up to $5,600, which is a tremendous run. It's a historical run. But why I am bearish now? Okay, so here if you see the very first volume profile, so if you see the shape of this volume profile, it almost looks like a P, right? So here for me it looks like P. So basically, if you know about volume profile, each shape denotes a meaning, right? If you want, I can quickly explain you. This is my personal notes, right? So we can have D, B, P shape, or a thin profile. Basically these are the volume profiles that can appear in the market. And this one I learned from Trader Dell. Thanks to him for educating me. So basically, when a P shape is formed, you can know the buyers are in control, right? Whereas when a B shape is formed, the sellers are in control. And there is some, there is a rule, whether it is B shape or P shape, and how to confirm those things. We have certain things for that. So here it looks like a P shape, but still the price action, if you see, it is lower. It is actually below than the POC, the point of control, right? So for me, it is not an actual P shape. And then here there is a D shape, which is almost like a consolidation sort of thing, consolidation or a sideways sort of thing. And then the next two volume profiles, if you see, this is called thin volume profile. The thin line, that the thin volume profile forms especially during a highly trending time. And you can see the price literally rose from here all the way until here, right? Okay, so which means from 2022 January until 2026 January, the price was continuously in the rising mode. Right now, if you see, it is not exactly B, but it almost formed. And in the last 3 years, you can never ever seen this sort of profile. And this is the first time you're seeing, and you can already see the gold has already witnessing a downtrend. So which means, so in an uptrend, when you spot the B shaped profile for the very first time, which is an early indication that the trend is stalled, or the uptrend or downtrend, especially here in B shaped profile, the uptrend is which is currently prevailing, which has totally exhausted, or it has begun to exhaust, right? So based on that, we can say that the uptrend or the bull run of gold is almost completed, in my opinion. So from now on, you can see either gold moves in sideways, or it can consolidate for some weeks or months, and more probability is it can go down from here. And why I am so confident? Because I am in the weekly chart. This is not a day chart. I'm in the weekly chart. And of course, so here, this is the point of control line we have. And the gold price have already started closing below this. And I don't know if some magic happens, if there is any news from the US, China trade deal or whatever, ongoing US Iran war, if there is any sort of positive trigger and if the price managed to close above this POC, then we can say this is invalidated. But in my opinion, the chances are very, very low. And the next week is a bit crucial, if you ask me, because in the next week also, if gold continuously closed below this POC, then you can almost more than 80% you can confirm that the bull run, the historical bull run of gold is over, or it is currently past. So until we see a next sort of either a D shape or some other shape of volume profile, it's a bit difficult to gauge in which direction gold is likely to go. But as per my understanding and as per my experience of using volume profile, uh, the bull run, the mega bull run of gold is likely uh, over, but we need to see. We need some more uh, confluence for that. So just wait and watch. Thank you.